So welcome back once again to What Gear Reviews, and today I'm looking at the Edifier E25 HD speakers. And you might be wondering why now I've decided to make this video, considering these speakers are 2 years old. Well, I'll tell you why, because they're a really good price right now, and if you're looking for some desktop speakers or speakers for your front room that really stand out, this might be what you're looking for. They got a really exotic design and a glossy finish, which can be a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but you shouldn't really be touching them that much, apart from the onboard touch controls. One of the things I really like about these speakers is the passive radiators, which are kind of inside it in this slit at the back, which is a really unique design. Also, Edifier have used silk dome tweeters, which are meant to give you a slightly more softer and smooth sound, rather than a sharp sound that you might get from a metallic tweeter. On the front of the E25s, you've got a 3-inch full bass driver. And bear in mind, these are quite compact, so you're not going to get massive bass from these, but I tell you what, the sound quality overall is really good. So as I mentioned before, you've got onboard controls, you've got touch controls there, and if you put your hand over all 3 of those touch controls, it silences the speaker. So it's a nice easy sort of way of turning the speaker on and off using the touch controls. The E25s do support Bluetooth, but if you really want to get a higher quality sound from these speakers, better to plug them in using a cable. They also provide a really simply designed remote control with minimal buttons, which is all you really need. One little trick here though is the power button can actually be used to switch sources, which isn't really clearly indicated on the remote, but it is there if you read the manual. And you guys know how much I like to read manuals. So I generally think that these speakers are really perfect if you want to make a statement, you want to have something really eye-catching in your living room or around your computer. They come in 3 different colors. Me personally, right here I've got the red ones. I would have preferred the white ones with this kind of setup I have here, but you can see how they kind of stand out really nice. You're not going to see many speakers that look like this. They've also got this little protective piece over the silk dome tweeter, because if you have children, the first thing they're going to do when they see this is push those in. So that was a good decision by Edifier. Also looks pretty cool too. And what's my verdict on this? Well, they look unique, they're eye-catching, the sound is clear and really well balanced. The emphasis really isn't on the bass here, but they are powerful nonetheless. If you're looking to enhance your computer sound or your laptop sound, or you want a decent pair of speakers in your front room that don't take up too much space, this might be exactly what you're looking for. And with the price point now being at around 170 quid, you couldn't pick a better time to pick up some of these Edifier E25 speakers. I highly recommend them, and if you guys want to go and check them out, you can buy them from Amazon directly from the link below, or you can head over to my website and check it out over there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick review on the Edifier E25 HD speakers. I really love them. I wish I had the white ones, but you can see here it kind of works in red too. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and you will be one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.